Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. We've still got some rainfall falling out there, picking it up in Eugene and Corvallis as well, sitting at 46 degrees out there and 52 on the coast. So things are not as cold as they were yesterday morning, and it's going to stay that way too. The water in the air makes it feel just a little bit warmer. That humidity does protect you here, so it doesn't get as bitter cold. Now, look at our 4 cameras so you can see what's going on out there. Not quite sunny enough to see anything in Roseburg still, but you can see some of those low clouds descending over Florence there. We've got fog in most areas for this morning, in addition to some of that rainfall going on too. You can see a little bit of both of those out over Eugene, a little bit clearer out over Corvallis though. Now we've got an interesting situation developing over the next couple days here. For today, our primary weather maker is once again that low pressure zone that's scooting on by towards California. That's going to continue to rotate, and as it rotates, it's going to kick some of that marine air into our area, and that brings things into a little bit more of a moister state. So our upper atmosphere, it's a little moister, but we need some energy to activate that to get some rain, and that's exactly what we're seeing for today. That little dip right there, that's got a lot of energy involved with it, and that swings overhead through this morning here, and that's what activates our rainfall for the morning. It should mostly be before 11 o'clock, but look what happens as we get into tomorrow. We've got a pattern that develops called a Rex block. Now, what's a Rex block? Well, it's low pressure to your south and high pressure, a big ridge there coming in into your north, and that makes things really clear. It makes it a super stable atmosphere, and you end up with just a lot of sunshine. So tomorrow it's going to look beautiful, totally different than this morning here. Showing you a stormcast right now, 6:30. In the next 10 minutes, should get some moisture out towards Coos Bay. And we're actually seeing things evolve way out towards the west. It looked like we were going to get wet inland before 11 o'clock, but it's mostly sticking near the coast at this point. So maybe don't expect for things to be too moist for the remainder of the day. Just some cloud coverage until we get into the evening, and then things are going to clear out a bit, getting some more fog into tomorrow morning. Now for the 7-day forecast, you'll see the same thing there. A little bit of rainfall remaining for today, and then we see a dry Thursday, Friday, rain starting up Saturday into Sunday, staying up towards those high 50s into the low 60s, almost identical for the Umpqua Basin. A little bit of fog coming up Monday and Tuesday as well. Cascades switching out that rainfall for snow on Sunday, but almost the same and staying in those 40s and those low 50s instead of just sticking near those 50s. Willamette Valley, very, very similar. Seeing 59 today, 54 tomorrow, so a little bit colder on Thursday and Monday. But now it's time to wake up and